I would like now to introduce you to another Ohioan who has successfully battled COVID-19, Stacey from Northeast Ohio. Her battle was certainly not an easy one, and she'll tell you about it. She wants to tell you her story in hopes that those who hear it will do all they can to prevent this from happening to other Ohio citizens. Stacey was in the hospital for weeks. She spent days on a ventilator in a medically induced coma. Her family believed she was going to die, and she almost did. Stacey, thank you for joining us. We are very, very grateful, and would invite you just to kind of tell us a little bit about your story.
Hi, thank you. I just want to commend the swift shutting down of Ohio. I feel that because of those actions, it contributed to saving my life. I put myself in a self-quarantine 2 weeks before I knew anything was going to happen with the state of Ohio. And I still ended up getting COVID-19. I was exposed on March 8th, and by March 21st, I was in Geneva emergency room with double lobe pneumonia. They admitted me, and within 24 hours, they were intubating me and shipping me downtown. And I don't remember anything else from there. I had an appointment today with Dr. Gold, the surgeon at Geneva Hospital, and he was instrumental in saving my life. He made a profound comment today that had there been 10 to 20 more patients flooded with what I had, I probably wouldn't have made it. So he said that he will never forget me, and I'm grateful that he saved my life. I'm grateful that they intubated me and got me on the ventilator. And the one other thing that he said, as far as my life being saved downtown at University Hospital, was that I was in a prone position, that they were able to do that for me. The care was incredible. I'm just grateful for the way that your cabinet has handled everything, Dr. Acton. And I can't stress enough to people, when this first happened to me, I said to my niece, this is a very serious thing and people need to know it. And I want to be able to be a voice and tell people, whether or not you have immunosuppressed system or not, we all need to be mindful of each other and ourselves, to wear the masks and to wear them responsibly. If we know we're going to be in public and we know we have a compromised immune system, then wear the mask. Or don't go out if you're concerned or afraid. I just can't stress enough that I just wish people would be more mindful that this is really something real. My 2 months flat on my back and being paralyzed were something I'll never forget. Getting better, and I'm walking a little bit in the house without a walker, and I am going to get better, and I know that I will.
Well, wow, that's a gripping story. So you said 2 months on your back, basically?
2 months on my back in the hospital.
Oh.
Yes.
Wow.
Towards the end, they had me in rehab at the Hannah House, and they said that I would be walking by the time I left there, and I didn't believe it, but the staff there is so competent and amazing that they did have me walking and doing things for myself.
Dr. Acton, any questions?
It was profound.
We'll see if Dr. Acton has any questions for you.
Sure.
No, I just, again, so nice to meet you and so good to hear your story. I guess we never know what something's like till we go through it. I mean, to hear you try to tell us so we don't have to experience it ourselves. How's your family doing? I bet they're thrilled.
Well, my one son's having a little bit of trouble withdrawing a little bit. I think he's in denial that this happened to me. He's 20. He's afraid of the virus. My other son's 23 and he's gung ho, get back to work. We can do this. People, protect yourselves. And I have an older son who's 29 and he's been working from the very beginning. So, he has concerns, but he's taking precautions. My husband's the one who had a hard time, and my dad,
Yeah.
my sister.
Yeah.
Yeah, I'm sure. Wow.
Dr. Gold said that he honestly thought when they shipped me downtown that I wasn't going to make it. So hearing him be happy that I was seeing him today and that I was okay,
Wow.
I think has made an impact on his life and mine.